Gabor Luxury Designer Series is a result of unique and ongoing collaboration of our most valued partner, you. As designers, we listen carefully to what wig wearers and retailers are saying, what you love, what you need, and what you'd like more of. We hear you, and we've turned your valuable feedback into our newest collection of specially crafted wigs, debuting in spring 2024. As you ask for a style that could have lots of volume, yet also be light and airy. Meet So Uplifting. This razor-cut crop has shattered layers throughout, with enough texture and length to be zhuzhed up just the way you like it. Design features include temple-to-temple lace front, monofilament part, a slightly tapered back, and an extended nape. And hair you wear's exclusive, heat-friendly, true-to-life fibre that acts like natural human hair. Easy to style, shake it, finger style it, tuck it behind the ears, or spray it up for instant glamour. It's fantastic. Beach waves are so flattering and so popular that we've designed this short, waved bob with a hint of an A-line. Taking today's trending texture to the next level, from the natural-looking monofilament part to the tousled widths at the sides, Beaming Beauty has a casual air but definite attitude. I love the way that we can just scrunch this up to get that natural beach wave. It's a true-to-life fibre, so remember, it's the closest thing to real hair. And I just love some of this styling option. Just enough hair to take up. How are you feeling in this?
Yeah, so much fun. I love it.
I know, you look gorgeous in it. One for the collection.
Absolutely.
This is it, my personal favorite of the collection. Alluring Locks has it all. The most asked for wig features that are all the rage on social media. Flattering, long, undone waves in easy to manage layers with a fully hand-tied top for a natural density. We can wear this half up, half down. There's just enough hair to do fantastic updos with it. Sexy, sassy, leave some tendrils hanging down. It's just such a fantastic wig. It looks absolutely gorgeous on you. I want it. The Gabor Designer Luxury Series, inspired and created for you. Let us know what you love and what you'd like us to design next.